Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find accounts and backup. As you can see here, we've got the section connected to the Google Drive, so let's tap on backup data and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, basically. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And you do not have to enter the full email address, just the first part of it before the @ symbol, and your device, after tapping on next, will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with this option, so let me tap on next. If you want to check Google Terms of Service and privacy policies, then you can do it here. Just tap on a particular option and you will be able to read everything. So let's tap on I agree. And here we've got some info about our backup. So here you've got the information that you will be able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account, and your device will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can of course tap on more details and learn more. Here you can also check that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So if for some reason you do not want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now. As you can see, we will get back to the accounts and backup section, but if you will decide that, okay, right now I want to back up the data, just tap on this option, and as you can see, you will be directly transferred to this step, so you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the account. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got some info about the backup again. So we've got the account storage, so how many of the gigabytes you've got used. You can manage the storage. You can back up the data just by tapping on backup now, and here you've got some details of what has been backed up already. So just tap on backup now, and we've got the information that your device is backing up the data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.